What happens when an AI claps for dangerous ideas? That's not a sci-fi plot. It's exactly what OpenAI is trying to prevent now. After a wave of backlash and controversy, OpenAI is stepping up its game on transparency. The company just launched a new Safety Evaluations Hub, a public web page where anyone can see how its models perform on critical safety tests. We're talking evaluations for harmful content, jailbreaks, and hallucinations. OpenAI says it'll now share these safety metrics on an ongoing basis, updating the hub with every major model release. According to their latest blog post, the goal is to make it easier for the public and the AI community to track how OpenAI's models are evolving in terms of both power and responsibility. And it's not just for show. The move comes after growing criticism that OpenAI's been rushing some of its AI model releases without enough safety testing. There was even a firestorm around CEO Sam Altman's leadership, with reports that he misled other execs about model readiness before his short-lived ouster in late 2023. Things boiled over again just last month, when OpenAI had to walk back an update to GPT-4o, the default model running ChatGPT. Why? Users started posting screenshots of it, blindly validating dangerous or harmful behaviors. It got so bad that OpenAI had to admit fault and promised fixes. One of those fixes? An opt-in alpha phase for future model rollouts. That means some ChatGPT users will be able to test upcoming models before they're fully released, offering feedback early. All of this points to a larger shift. OpenAI is finally acknowledging that releasing powerful AI isn't just about speed, it's about trust. If you're finding this update valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff AI insights, and drop your thoughts in the comments, especially if you think more companies should follow suit. And if you want to dig deeper into AI safety or transparency, check out the related video in the corner. AI is moving fast, but if it's going to move responsibly, this level of public accountability can't just be a one-time headline. It has to become the norm. Don't just follow the hype. Follow what matters. Watch the next video now and stay informed.